Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I fry my drumstick crispy and juicy at the same time. Alright, I'm not going to get into every single details of how I season up this chicken and everything because I already seasoned it up, but I'm going to explain it to you guys. This drumstick, I washed it, seasoned it up, and then when I finish seasoning it up, I bust one egg into it. Let me show it to you. I bust one egg and I use the self-raising flour and I mix it up along with this grind seasoning that I normally use, and this is how it gets, right? So now I'm gonna put the oil to hot. It's in this frying pan, and I just purchased this frying pan. This is a non-stick frying pan that I just purchased. See it? It's a non-stick frying pan and I love it. And it's more like a wok. See it? So I'm going to leave this oil and let it get hot. So I'm going to be back in a flick of a bit. So this is the drumstick that I have, and I'm using the self-raising flour also to fry it. So stay tuned. Alright, so now I'm going to start by, as the oil hot, I didn't take the skin off because the skin is help. I like the crispiness of the skin, so I'm going to dunk it in the flour. Again, as I'm saying to you, it's the self-raising flour I'm using. And you know, self-raising flour got salt in it, so you gotta make sure that whenever you will season up this chicken, don't put too much of the salt, and then you're using the self-raising flour have salt in it, and then you know you're sorry because it's double trouble. You gotta make sure see it dust out this say good. Because remember, I'm not frying this chicken with too much of a high heat, because this is the next thing too, because a lot of times you would fry this chicken with high heat and it get brown fast, but inside ain't cooked. It's still raw inside. So what I'm going to do is using the low heat to fry this chicken. Alright, put it. And I make sure say it does have any extra excess. And while this chicken is frying, I would like to say something. I have a video about making fried rice, and there was a lot of people that were saying a lot of things about the fried rice, you know. It's not what they say, it's how they say it. They say all kind of hidden things they were saying about it. But I'm the only person that come out showing people how to make fried rice. Fried rice is not you cook the rice and fry it after. The way how I learned to make fried rice, you fry that rice it raw, and you add water to the rice as it cooks, as it frying. You soak the rice first, and when the rice swell, then you fry it. Don't leave no water, drain out the water. And you make sure that the oil is hot enough, and you fry it. And I'm going to do back another video again, showing you guys how I just do this fried rice, from start to finish. I promise that. That video is supposed to get thousands of views. You know why? Because I show you guys how I did my rice from start to finish. But because of people, they saying bad things, I believe a lot of times, you know, your videos don't really get that amount of viewers because of a lot of times the viewers are watching this thing, instead of they give any positive comments, if they wanted to learn, ask questions, they start saying a lot of, you know, a lot of stupid things. So the chicken now is in the cannery, and I'm gonna cover this down, frying it on low heat, because I want to make sure that this chicken fry inside properly. Okay, so I will be back. Stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. I'm gonna check it now to see how it's coming. Okay, so now that I turn it, what I'm going to do is get a fork. I am going to get a fork and test it by sticking the fork into this. Alright, like this. Because, you know, don't get fooled by the looks. If you, when you stick you gotta stick it to the bone, and then I'm gonna cover it. Now if you see that you don't see no kind of a bloody liquid coming out from this chicken, that means it's cooking inside. But if you see that the blood keep coming out, that means it's not fully cooked as yet and it still wants some more cooking. Alright, so I'm going to cover this back, and as I said, I'm doing it on medium-high heat so that you cook slow but cook directly inside. Alright? I don't know if you guys could see what I was talking about with the blood inside the chicken, but if you notice this spot here, I think I'm going to take it out and show you guys more closely. You see the spot here? There's the blood coming out from it. So that's why I said I'm going to stick it to make sure that it cooks inside. As you can see, it didn't quite cook inside thoroughly as yet. And it's more than want to see. Even though I turn it over and it looks like if it gets brown, look, inside of here is still raw. It's still kind of a little raw inside. So you have to make sure that you cook this on slow fire so that it can cook both in and out. Don't worry the crispiness, so it may get brown or nice, but you gotta make sure it cook well. Alright, so I'm covering this down, and I'm gonna give it another 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn it right back over. So I'm gonna turn it over now. Again, this is the last time I'm going to turn it over. Alright, so another 2 minutes. I'm going to let this cook for. want it to be crispy and tasty. Alright? Okay, this is how it looks like when it's finished. Nice brown and crispy. This is what it looks like when it's finished. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Crispy fried chicken drumstick. Yummy. I'm gonna show it hot. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. So, but I'm gonna show you. You see this, right? Oh. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.